Hey guys, welcome back to How to Telly, and today I'll be showing you guys how I use these very simple but cute bags that I buy from the store, Amazon and other stores. You can find this as well. I'll put the link below for everything that I'm showing you guys, and also the gift wrapping paper that you see me laying it flat on top of. So this is me creating some really cute gift bags for my daughter's birthday. When I just thought of this idea, instead of having to pull out my Cricut or design something from Canva or whatever to print out, no printer, no Cricut, nothing required, but wrapping paper, glue, and I'll put different kinds of glue that you can use, scissors, and the bags that you need. So this is me just cutting out 4 of the bags that I went ahead and glued down, and when I flip it over, you guys will be able to see the design that is going to be on these bags for my daughter's Isabel's birthday. And look how cute that is, and it is so quick and easy. And as you guys guessed, we are going to be cutting it out. I just want to make sure that all of my corners are properly secured. So as you see me with the glue in my hand, I just like to pull back a corner, different things like that, so that I could see if it is pressed on well. So this is the front and that is the back. We're going to take our scissors and we are going to cut as close to the bag as possible. Sometimes I find holding the scissors at a little slant will help you to not feel like it's too close or bulky. But right here, I am just going to go ahead and cut off all the sides and make sure that it aligns very well. So I did my bottom, and now I am going to go ahead and do my sides. And that is my toddler waking up from her nap. Maybe she had a nightmare. We just left her party and she was exhausted, so daddy's going to check up on her. But this is me just finishing the bag. It's really simple, and once you cut it all off, you can look at your bag and you see that it is all done. And as I told you guys, sometimes you can check and see if all of your corners are properly secured. Here I'm just going to take that glue and I'm going to spray a bit more. The cool thing about this specific glue is that I also use it for my sublimation prints, that it can be temporary or it can be permanent. And when I use it for my sublimation prints, once I press it and I take off the paper, it is absolutely fine. It's as if the residue just melts away. So this is what the back looks like once we are all done after spraying, placing it down, cutting off our sides, and finishing. And it started as this and finished as that. So I hope that this video was very helpful for you guys. I hope that you guys find this to be the next project you want to do for a party, because it is so quick and easy, you just can't resist. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to butter us up, leave a comment, like our video, and subscribe.